Welcome back to another video, my love gems. And yeah, got my water. I got mozzarella sticks and gizzards. Yes! Look at them gizzards. I got some marinara sauce. Can y'all see? But yes, I got pickle. And the only thing I like my onions cut up, not cut up on, is like on my sandwich. But like if it's going in like meals, then I want it chopped fine. But yeah, I got mustard on here, onions, ketchup, hot salt, pickle. And I'm about to just dig right into it. Pickle. Mm. 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 The mustard, the pickle. The onion, all that. No pour. We just store-bought mozzarella stick and marinara. Homemade gizzards. Homemade. Mm. I'm making a video. You gotta turn that off. You gotta turn it on. I'm making a video. Josiah!
Yes?
I'm making a video.
Oh, sorry.
You're not sorry. It's all the time. One of my boys. I'm being firm on it because when they copyright you, you gotta find out what they copyright you for. I don't care for the mozzarella sticks. I really don't. My nail fell off. mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 This is so good. I don't know which one I want to pick up. It just got the tanginess and the sweetness from the pickle, the tanginess for the mustard, the onion, the hot sauce. I should put some ketchup on it. But I'm not about to eat all of them. Baby, these store-bought mozzarella sticks usually be hitting. But not today. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I can't get enough of these gizzards. I'm thirsty. I don't want to pick up my water right now. Mm-mm-mm. They're good. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Water too good. So good, y'all. Mm-mm-mm. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, my love gems. Peace out.